Hello, and welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to disable app permissions for your location on your iPhone. Managing app permissions for location can be a bit tricky, as you might want some apps to have access to your location, while others you might prefer to keep restricted. I'll guide you through how to control these settings to suit your preferences. App permissions are essential tools that allow you to manage whether apps can access your location. This not only helps in maintaining your privacy, but also ensures that only the necessary apps can track your whereabouts. You can customize location settings for specific services like weather apps, or manage these permissions on an app-by-app basis. First, let's look at how to turn off location services entirely. Open your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Within this menu, select Location Services. Here, you'll find a switch to turn off all location services. Switching this off will stop sharing your location with all apps on your device. This is a quick way to ensure that no app can access your location. However, you might not want to disable location services entirely. Instead, you can manage location settings individually for each app. This allows you to have more control and flexibility. For example, you might want location services enabled for apps that provide price checking or navigation, but disabled for social media or other apps. To manage these settings individually, stay in the Location Services menu. Scroll down and you'll see a list of all the apps that have requested access to your location. Tap on any app to adjust its location permissions. You can choose from options like Never, Ask Next Time, While Using the app, or Always, depending on how much access you want to grant. For instance, if you want to adjust location permissions for Instagram, go to the settings, find Instagram in the list of apps, and tap on it. Then you can choose to enable or disable location functionality for Instagram specifically. This method allows you to tailor your location settings to each app, ensuring that only the apps you trust can access your location data. Additionally, you can manage specific services that use your location. For example, if you want to customize location settings for the weather, find the weather app in the list and adjust its permissions accordingly. This is particularly useful if you want precise control over how your location data is used. By taking these steps, you can effectively manage and disable app permissions for your location on your iPhone, enhancing your privacy and ensuring that only the necessary apps have access to your location data. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to disable app permissions for your location on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, peace.